Tired of Adobe Creative Cloud taking up space and slowing down your laptop? Let's dive into how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud applications, ensuring a clean system first. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and locate the installed apps. Next, click the three dots that show up next to each installed app. These three dots will open up a menu of options. Then, select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will likely appear to ensure you intend to uninstall the app. Confirm your selection. By clicking Uninstall, your chosen applications should start uninstalling and the progress will be shown using a progress bar. Repeat the process for every Adobe application you want to remove. Avoid installing multiple apps at once to avoid a system slowdown. Now, let's get rid of all the leftovers. Navigate to your control panel or system settings, then to Apps or Install Apps in the app list. Search for Adobe applications or anything with Creative Cloud in the name if found. Uninstall then, as you've already done previously. Some apps require an uninstall through the system settings. Finally, let's clean up any lingering files. Open File Explorer. Then in the address bar, type pen. Navigate to the app.data folder. Type the path shown on screen inside app.data. Go to the local and roaming folders and look for anything with Adobe in its name and remove those folders. Remember to empty your recycle bin afterward to fully erase these files in the background. And there you have it. You've successfully scrubbed your laptop clean of Adobe Creative Cloud. Enjoy your newly freed up system space.